Ndị be anyị, biko bịanụ ka anyị jee no Liverpool ọzọ n'afọ a, ebe ndị Igbo bidoro ije ha na Europe n'afọ 1935. Igbo community in Liverpool is inviting us all to 2014 New Year Festival and Igbo Women's Cultural Show on the 27th of September 2014 at Jubilee Sports Bank, Jubilee DR, Kensington, Liverpool L7 8SJ from 1 p.m. till late, presenting Iriji rights and various forms of entertainment like masquerade dance show, women egedege dance, fashion parade, youth dance, live performances from Mr. Celebrity, Angel T, and Wilson Waneuku. There will also be an opportunity to view Igbo House at International Museum, packed with many historical artifacts. We have prepared mouth-watering Igbo dishes for you all. Please be there. This event is sponsored by Libera Mobile and others.